This is Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. Welcome to Job Search Radio.
Are you looking for a new job or interested in leveling up? Job Search Radio is your go-to resource for insider tips on job hunting and growing your career. Here's your host, Jeff Altman.
I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, and welcome to Job Search Radio. I remember several years ago reading a book by Malcolm Gladwell called Outliers. And amongst the many, many points that he cultivated in the book, in a very, very engaging way, Gladwell spoke about the 10,000 hour rule. A rule that basically said 10,000 hours of concerted effort under the supervision of an expert is going to help you become masterful. It's going to help you become expert yourself. He uses the Beatles as an example in the course of the book. But here I want to talk with you about being a job hunter and applying the 10,000 hour rule to you. And I hope you find it helpful and insightful, and I offer a solution for you. If you like today's show, come over to iTunes or Stitcher, give it 5 stars, write a good review. I want to help you, and I want to help others. And leaving a review like this will help others discover the show. So hang in there, enjoy the ride, and let's get rolling. Hi, I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, and I coach people and organizations to be more successful, to play big. I want to talk to you job hunters and say something that I think you're going to have one of those moments like Homer Simpson and say, you've heard of the 10,000 hour rule, right? You know, it takes 10,000 hours. It wasn't quite what Gladwell wasn't quite right. It's 10,000 hours of focused, concerted effort in order to be an expert. So it's not just simply 10,000 hours of repeating the same mistake over and over again. It's 10,000 hours of focused, concerted effort, ideally under the supervision of a mentor or a teacher, to become an expert. And when you start job hunting, you have exactly how much? Think about it. You have exactly how much? And you put in how much effort into preparing? Like writing a resume. Think about it. What do you know about writing resumes? You've read a bunch of them, but judging by what I read from people, you know, somewhere near zero. How about interviewing? How much interviewing have you ever done? I doubt it's anywhere near 10,000 hours. And then you wonder why you don't get results. Maybe it's about networking. You have a LinkedIn profile that doesn't get results. Or maybe you don't even have a LinkedIn profile and you're wondering why no one's calling you. Salary negotiation, that's the one. But you don't really have much experience there either. And you wonder why you don't get results. Let me ask you a question. If you could go to a website and get answers to most of the critical interview questions and be able to ask an expert for advice, would that be valuable to you? I'm sure it would be. And I just launched JobSearchCoachingHQ.com, an inexpensive site with the cost of less than a hardcover book per month. What you get with the site is, as of now, over 400 pieces of content, including all my books and guides to job hunting, lots of videos, a bunch of podcasts, articles that I've written, curated, so it's really good stuff. Not just all the stuff, really good stuff that's available to you on the site. Here's the pluses. Plus the ability to ask me questions when you're stuck with something. You know, you may think your friends, family, colleagues, former managers know what they're talking about when they speak with you, but stop and think for a moment. How many jobs have they ever filled? Now, you may say your boss interviews lots of people, or your former boss interviews a lot of people, and they certainly know. But trust me, when they're on the other side of the desk, they stink up the joint. And if you don't believe me, you know, you're wrong, point blank, only because I interview people who've been hiring managers, and they are awful, but they give you advice. It's time to stop giving others advice about what they should do, and you need to start taking some for yourself, because, you know, figure it out, do the math. When you wrote that resume, how much experience did you have? 3 hours over the course of 20 years? You don't know what you're doing. You think you do, but you don't know what you're doing. Again, JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. It's my new site with advice for job hunters, good anywhere in the world. Got to speak English to understand me, of course, but there's a lot of great material there, and you'll get questions answered from me. And we're starting to build a community there where other people will be able to chime in and offer you advice as well. Again, JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. So that's today's show. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, come on over to JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. There's a lot of great information I've created and others have created that you can watch, listen to, or read to help you find work more quickly. Again, that's JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. I'll be back tomorrow with more. I hope you have a great day. Take care.
If you would like to have Jeff give you advice about your job search, you'll love JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. This site has all of Jeff's books and guides to job hunting available free. The ability to have Jeff answer your questions, plus podcasts and videos that'll help you with all the different parts of a job search, including writing a winning resume and cover letter, great answers to interview questions, how to negotiate effectively, whether you want an easy way or want to get tough, plus a community of people like you who you can get advice from. The site again is JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. That's JobSearchCoachingHQ.com.